This is not the random video you have been watching on YouTube. I took my proper time to make a proper research on this particular trade, and I've made a huge amount of profit from this particular trade. So guys, this particular trade, I'm gonna be revealing to you guys how you can use this particular strategy, a whole lot of profit from the market. As you can see here in my account here, 70% of the money you are seeing in my Binance account here, I made it from this particular trade. Okay, so if you want to learn crypto, you want to learn how to make money in the market, and you doesn't know how crypto work, you can join my class where I teach you step by step on how to get started. Okay, what you need to do is to get started. So this particular trade, I took my time to invest, and I have made so much profit from this particular market. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be making it live so that you can understand step by step on how it actually works. And if you have not subscribed to our free Telegram group, the link is down below this video. You can join our free Telegram group. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see over here, I've already deposited 1000 USDT in my account here. Okay, now this is a bot that automatically trade for you on daily basis, and one good thing about this particular bot is that the bot analyzes the market before it makes move. Okay, so you can deposit and withdraw Bitcoin, USDT, ETH on this particular bot. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking you step by step on how this particular bot actually work. Okay, so now what you need to do is, when you want to make a deposit to get started, you copy your wallet just as I have copied my address from the bot. Okay, and also remember, as low as 50 USDT you can start trading with this particular bot. Let's say I want to deposit $1000. What you need to do is to impute the amount here. Okay, when you have copied the address, okay, then you go ahead and make your payment. Okay, now let me go back to the bot. Since I've already have 1000 USDT here now, what I'm gonna be doing right now is to show you how to activate this particular bot. Remember, this bot costs 99 USDT for you to get this bot, but if you doesn't have up to that, you can join my VIP group to get access to this particular bot. Okay, for you to get access to my VIP group, it costs you only 30 USDT for you to get access and start trading with this particular bot. Okay, so you can see we have Bitcoin accumulation here, we have ETH DCA Pro. So we are gonna be using DCA Pro because I've actually made money from this particular ETH DCA. This is where most of the money I've made comes from. Okay, so remember, the minimum you can start from this particular place is 20 USDT. Okay, so if you are my student, I advise you to start with 50 USDT so that you can be making a good profit on daily basis. So now I've clicked ETH, and now I'm you can see I've clicked the configuration. Then the next thing is you click the start bot. Okay, once you have clicked the start bot, over here you can see how the bot runs. Okay, even if you are starting with as low as 30 USD, 50 USD, this is where you're gonna be seeing your profit being made. Okay, and one good thing about this particular bot is that it analyzes the market. Okay, it doesn't just take a trade, anyhow random trade. Okay, and this is not just anyhow random videos that you have been watching before, okay, on YouTube. So what I'm sharing with you guys here is that this particular bot, I've tested it. You can see it here because I'm gonna be making a withdrawal from this, what we get from this particular trade. Okay, so you can see how long it doesn't take much time to execute trade from the market, and it trades when the market is actually stable. Okay, and the win rate of this particular bot is 85%, so it's actually working very perfectly. Okay, so now, and I've used it for some time, and I've seen that this particular bot, you can actually use it to compound and make a good money on daily basis. You can compound your money. If you are using $50 as a case study, you can make $10 or $20 today, then tomorrow you add it up to your capital. So now you can see the trade. I've stopped the boat from running. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is that I'm gonna make a withdrawal. Okay, you can see I've made 1,555.49 USDT. And the way I trade on this boat, once you get this boat, I will show you my strategy, because if you want to get in touch with me, the link is down below this video. Okay, there is a particular way I run the boat. Okay, I have a target. Once you get to my target, it close. So now I'm gonna be making a withdrawal here. So I'm trying to get my USDT to make a withdrawal. So I'm gonna be using TRC20 address here. So I've actually copied the address. So let's go back to this particular place. So what you need to do is to paste your address. Okay, so now once you paste your address, you make withdrawal. And they're gonna be charging you a fee of $1 in every of withdrawal that you are making in this platform. Even if you are withdrawing $1,000, that is the same amount they are gonna be charging. You can see that I've input my code and my authentication code, and withdrawal is successful. Okay, and this particular app, this boat works is just like an app. Okay, so the next thing which we're gonna be doing now is to wait for our withdrawal to appear in my Binance. Okay, so you can see I'm now in Binance. So you can see the withdrawal have actually reflected here. So you can see how profitable this particular bot works. So you can take advantage of it and start making a whole lot of money from it. So if you want to get in touch with me, my contact details is down below this video. So you can get in touch with me and get started.